Hello there and welcome to the 8th chapter of my C tutorial, that is switch case. Switch case is also known as menu driven program. Now let me tell you why it is called a menu driven program. When you go to a visit a restaurant, what happens? You are given a menu from which you select some options and then you order for your cuisines to the waiter. The same thing happens in menu driven program or switch case. Now let us see how the switch case works. But before that, let me tell you, in case of switch case, you are given few options. Just in the case of the restaurant menu, you are given few options from which you have to select any one, and according to that selection, the result comes to you. Now let us check how the switch case works. For that, first of all, let us open the Turbo C++. Start Turbo C++. So opening, okay, it has opened. Now opening a new file. Then hash include conio.h, hash include stdio.h, then void main function. Inside this clr scr and get ch. Now we are inputting choice ch. Suppose I have got three choices, choice 1, choice 2 and by default. Choice 1, if I select choice 1, then I will be told that I have got a chance to get a room. I will be getting a room. Choice 1. Choice 2 is I have to stay in the waiting list to get a room. And choice 3 is I will not get any room. So let's see how it happens. So switch ch case 1. Case 1, it will tell me that I have been allotted a room. I will get a room. Or I have been allotted a room. Printf, you have been allotted a room. Then break. Case 2. Printf. This time it will tell me that I have to be in the waiting list. You might get a room. Please be in the waiting list. Then break. Now you will be thinking that why am I using break each time? You will be knowing about it a bit shortly. Let us first get the result and then you will get to know about it. Then case 3, or better to say default. Printf. Sorry, no rooms available. No rooms available. Then end of switch case. Now let us find out if there is any error or not. No error. Sorry, no rooms available, because I didn't give any value to ch. So before this, let me put Let me ask the user to put a number. Enter a number. Scanf %d, comma, and ch. Now Control F9. Let's see. Enter a number. I give 2. You might get a room. Please be in the waiting list. So inside 2, as told, you might get a room. Please be in the waiting list. Now suppose I give 1. You have been allotted a room. Okay. Now let us give another value. Let us give 7. Sorry, no rooms available. Now let us get into this program. At first we have initialized ch as integer, then we have asked the user to enter a number, and after that we have used scanf for user input for ch. Then we have used ch, switch ch. This is the code for switch ch. Over here what it is happening is, switch is taking the value that we have given to ch, or we have the value which we have assigned to ch. The switch is taking that value. After that, case 1. Case 1 means if ch is 1, then what will happen? That is case 1. Case 1 is actually the value of ch. If ch is 1, but remember we cannot use ch over here. This is case 1. That means that if the value of ch is 1, then it will print this line. Else, if the ch value is 2, then it will print this line. Else, it will print this line. So it is almost like if-else loop. But there is a little difference, because over here we are not using ch, but we are using the value of ch. Only the value, not the variable ch. Now suppose I don't give any break over here, then what will happen? Control F9. Suppose I enter 1. You have been allotted a room. You might get a room. Please be in the waiting list. So what has happened? It has printed the result of 1. Along with that, it has printed the result of 2. Now I think you have understood why break is required. If I give a break, then what will happen? Let's see. If I add a break over here, then I give 1, it will print you have been allotted a room. So what is happening is, actually when I have given 1 to ch, so it has printed this line, and when it got the break line, it is directly moving to the end of the switch, and it is directly going out of the program with get ch, and the program is over. So this is how the switch case actually works, and the break works like that, like the same. So I hope you have understood, going through this video, you have understood the main functionality of the switch case and what is happening in each cases and why break is used. Now let us see how we can use characters in place of numbers in switch case. Suppose for characters I have to take char ch. Now I have to call the header file string hash include string.h. Now that what I have to do is enter a character. Enter an alphabet. Enter any alphabet. %s for percentage %C. Now for A, $9,200. Result is between $9,200. Result is between 80 to 100. Then suppose I use B. Result is between 80 to 70 to 80. $70 to $80. Then case C. Result is between 60 to 70. Break. Then case D. Printf. Result is between 50 to 60. Break. Case E. Printf. Result is between 40 to 50. Break. Default. Printf. Fail. Now let us see what happens. Error. Okay. Now this is the error. I think it will be like this. It will be like this because we are using single character. For single character, always remember we have to use single inverted comma. For lines or words or alpha, for lines or words or paragraph, we have to use double inverted comma. Now no error. Suppose I give B. Result is between 70 to 80. One thing remember, whenever you use an alphabet, a single character for a single character or any other single characters like single A or single B, C, D or a single number at that time or a single space, at that time you have to use only single inverted comma. But if you enter a word or a line or a paragraph, at that time you have to use double inverted comma. Always remember that. In case of single character, single inverted comma. In case of lines or paragraphs, double inverted comma. So let us check it once more and find out what happens. Let us give another A. Fail. Only because we have used capital letters, not small letters. So let us find out another capital C. Result is between 60 to 70. So it has printed this line. Result is between 60 to 70. That is for C. And so I think that going through this complete video, you have understood what is the function of switch case, how it works, and how it is called the menu driven program, and how we can use both numbers and characters in a menu driven program. So I think you will be able to do in future programs, any other programs using switch case. And this is the only video for the switch case, and thank you for now. Hope you will be doing great with this switch case. So have a great day.